So I just started it up. Just started it up for the first 30 seconds. And we'll make all the observations on bowl 4, just like we did on bowl 1. This is the 20% solution. So I'm expecting it to get thick faster because it's more in solution. And that's all I can really say about it right now, since I've never actually done this experiment before. So that's my prediction. Coming up on 30 seconds right now. Alright, stop that. There. Let's see what we got right here. And before I stir, you can kind of see some of that starch is not wanting to get into the solution. That's kind of like if you put too much sugar when you're making Kool-Aid or something, and you put too much sugar in there, some of the sugar is gonna just stay on the bottom of the pitcher or whatever you're mixing your Kool-Aid up in. So we're gonna do this second 30 seconds. Okay. Got that going now. So if you remember from bowl 1, it locked up after the second 30 seconds. It was pretty much jelly. Bowl 3 kind of did that, but it's hard to say because it didn't follow the exact trend as bowl 1. So we're going to see what happens now. Coming up on the second 30 seconds. Alright. So we'll see what's going on. If you check that out, after the second 30 seconds, it's locked tight like jello. So you can see that's pretty much even thicker than bowl 3. And you can look at it and look how clear it is. The majority of that starch is dissolved in the solution. So thinking back to that first hypothesis I was telling you about, is as we heat this up, all of that cornstarch should dissolve in it. So now we're just gonna do the final 30 seconds on bowl 4 here, just to see what's gonna happen to this gelatin-like substance. Cornstarch. Okay. Last 30 seconds. So most of the observations we've seen is that after the first 30 seconds, the majority of the cornstarch would dissolve and stay in the solution. After the second 30 seconds, the cornstarch solution started turning into a jelly pretty much. In bowls 3 and 4, it was pretty thick jelly. Bowl 1, it was a jelly but not quite as thick. Bowl 2 acted differently, so I'm going to have to redo bowl 2 to see exactly what it should do. So, final 30 seconds are up. And this stuff is superheated, so you don't want to get it on your finger. And as thick as it is, if you think about somebody putting hot grits on somebody, it's going to scald you, so you don't want to get it on you. So, it's pretty much jelly. Nothing major changed except it's lost some of its fluidity. It's more like brittle rubber or something now instead of just a smooth, free-flowing gel type of acting thing. So those are those observations. You can go ahead and put the